My name is Chris Felling. Have 4 children, married. They're all adults right now. We have one that's special needs, so I know what it takes for care, and another one that needs a little bit of help as well, one of our sons. So 1 daughter, special needs, and 3 sons. I started with Meals on Wheels about 7 years, maybe almost 8 years now going on. It came across as one of the volunteer requests, and I thought, this is something I can do. So I've been doing it for quite a while, I guess, and I don't think I missed too many unless I took a couple vacations in between. I do it every week on Mondays. It takes anywhere from an hour. At one point, I think I had the longest route, but it didn't bother me. I mean, it's all around, the eastern side here in 622 School District, and elderly, some are in apartments, some are in homes. So it's been very good for those that can't get out and are homebound. I like that the Meals on Wheels program also provides non-perishables in the winter, like toothbrush, toothpaste, canned goods. They do that usually once a year as well, so that the folks that receive Meals on Wheels can stock up on some of that too, in case there's a bad snowstorm and some of the volunteers could not get to their place. I think the most rewarding and favorite part of Meals on Wheels is interacting with the recipients, the folks that do receive a hot meal or a frozen meal. When I told them that I was done volunteering, a couple were in tears and actually gave me a hug, and that meant a lot to me. I recall one of the women that I delivered a hot meal to, she wanted to give me her Christmas list with some money to go buy her Christmas gifts, and I said, I would love to do that, but unfortunately I've got more hot meals in the cold car, that I need to deliver. But I think they're anxious to have someone to just chat with a bit. I've had some of them give me lilacs, flowers out of their yard. I mean, it's very rewarding just to be able to interact with the folks and see that they're getting at least frozen meals for the week or a hot meal that day. When I heard that I won, I was kind of surprised, because I know there's a lot of great volunteers out there and a lot of great folks. So I was appreciative that Tim Dooley nominated me, but I was also shocked that I'd be one of them to win. To me, it's not about getting special recognition. It was really about spending some time. And it's a small commitment out of your day-to-day life when you're not working and could give the time back to the community and to seniors. So I think that was most important in the years that I did the Meals on Wheels. If you're looking for a place to volunteer, I think look at what you like to do, what you're kind of passionate about, and I do like to interact with people, but I think if you're looking to do some volunteering, I'd highly recommend it, because it's more rewarding than you think, and it's not that big of an investment of time. That's where I would put my guidance and go for it.